The recent election of Vietnam's key state leadership positions by the 16th National Assembly has garnered significant attention and positive appraisal from the international community. So coverage has been largely positive, hasn't it, Lina?
That's right, Nam. And regional and international news agencies have highlighted the transition as a reflection of the country's political stability and strategic continuity.
The Russian news agency RIA Novosti provided extensive coverage of the election of Vietnam's key leadership positions. The article highlighted that Russian President Vladimir Putin sent a congratulatory message to Party General Secretary and State President To Lâm, expressing confidence that his election to the highest office would contribute to strengthening the strategic partnership between the two countries.
China's Xinhua news agency reported that Chinese President Xi Jinping, also General Secretary of the Communist Party of China Central Committee, sent a congratulatory message on this occasion, expressing his readiness to work with Vietnamese Party General Secretary and State President To Lâm to promote the development of bilateral relations. He emphasized the continuous consolidation of each country's socialist cause to bring better benefits to their people, aiming to inject further stability and positive energy into the region and the world.
In today's issue, the Vientiane Times of Laos published a message regarding the development priorities of Party General Secretary and State President To Lâm. The article emphasized key priorities, including maintaining a peaceful and stable environment, promoting rapid and sustainable development, and improving living standards so that citizens can fully benefit from the fruits of development. It also highlighted strengthening Vietnam's contributions to regional and global peace, stability, and progress.
The agent's Cambodia press quoted a congratulatory message from King of Cambodia, Norodom Sihamoni, expressing his firm belief that under the wise leadership of Party General Secretary and State President To Lâm, Vietnam will continue to achieve remarkable success, advance across all sectors, and maintain its important role both regionally and globally.